Have so many blog posts and looking for a specific one? Easily find the post you're looking for by following these few and simple steps. So on your site's dashboard, go to blog on the left, then go to posts. Go to the search bar and type in relevant keywords that match the blog post that you're looking for. As you type keywords here, the dashboard will display relevant posts that match your keywords. You can then edit it or manage it according to the available options that you have here. And there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.